Welcome to another episode of Weekly Stock Picks. I have such incredible news I wanted to make a quick video and talk about today. I just watched a 1.5 hour interview on Treys Trades channel with the CEO, Adam Aaron. It was a really heartwarming interview, by the way. He talked about his life and the things that he's overcome. And Trey did an awesome job interviewing him, actually. It's always good to let the CEO speak, and then you can kind of get a good insight of where he's coming from, and you can see his passion coming through for AMC. Honestly, the 1.5 to 2 hour interview went by really quick because it was pretty awesome watch. I'll link it in the description of the video. He mentioned that 5/8 of his compensation is AMC stock and how much of a vested interest he has in growing it. And he did mention he wants to do it slow and healthy and like realistic growth, which scared me at first because I thought, maybe this is going to be a sales pitch for the 500 million shares. He even reiterated again saying he wants to do it the right way, like low and slow type of growth. And then all of a sudden he drops a bomb on us and does a freaking announcement on the YouTube channel, which is kind of like groundbreaking to do this on some dude's YouTube channel, right? It shows that we have a lot of power where they're doing this is not like CSNBC, they're doing like massive announcements here on YouTube. This is kind of like a legendary moment, I think, in history, which is awesome to be part of it. They're a publicly traded company, right? So they filed this statement that I'm about to tell you today. If the 500 million share issuance goes through, they will not issue one share in 2021. And he went through and reiterated that it's just literally to get them through another pandemic in the future, or if they want to do some type of acquisition, or they just want that to play with, right? He said, we have 43 million shares we could issue right now, but we haven't done it, right? We're just literally planning our next move. And to be honest, this was like one of the biggest fears we had in our community, for AMC stock, was this 500 million share dilution is just going to drive the price down back to $1. And at least in the short term for this year, we're good to go. There is a potential he does issue the 43 million shares, but I don't think he'll do that unless we start to explode, right? If the short squeeze happens, they might take a little bit off the top, so to speak. But again, this is just speculation. We don't know. The one thing we do know is, man, that 500 million dark cloud that's been hanging over us is starting to dissipate and things are looking bright. Oh man, I can see the community reacting really well to this news. And Thursday, Friday, it really growing back, pushing back up to that $13 plus $14 level that we were at previously. I did check the numbers earlier. We're at a 97% utilization rate. So it's harder and harder for the hedgies to find shares to even short. So we're kind of entering like a little perfect storm again, which is amazing. It's been trading above the SMA. We've rejected, even with the dark cloud, we rejected the 850. We've been fighting around that 850 mark, holding the stock up. So man, this is looking really, really good. And I think we are starting to fuel that rocket ship to take off to the moon. If you like the video and these updates, if I could get a quick like on the video, it would help me out so much as a small YouTuber. Again, I will link the video in the description if you guys want to watch the whole thing. I have a Webull link. If you want to sign up, you get 2 stocks. I get stocks. It's a win-win. I also have a Discord channel with the private stock group in the description of the video, but that's going to be all for me today. Good luck tomorrow, investors. I'm going to be watching the markets like a hawk. Peace.